Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have my garden growing here, and you'll see there's a few sections in here. I don't know if I can bring in very close because my tripod doesn't go very close, but you can see there's a few sections where I don't have anything in there because I grew plants and they're done. So I've got myself a little kit here. This one here is by HYPGARD, 120 piece seed pod with domes and 30 pod labels. So that's pretty cool that it even has pod labels. I don't think I even had that before. So there's your pod labels, so you can, I guess they're all labeled. It's funny, they're all labeled the same. I guess they're all labeled like, you know, whatever, sprouts. So you get the 30 of these little, the little grow medium stuff, the whatever that's called, the stuff, and then you get 30 of the little pods. So the way it'll work is you put the pods in there. Well, actually, what I usually do is I stick a little seed in there, then I put that on there, and then I actually have these little covers that can go over it. You see like that, but you can use these little stickers here. So I can just sticker. I'll do one anyways. Oops. Oh, I don't know if you can see how this goes. It's hard to get off. But the idea is it has that little section in the middle. So then as it goes through, it pops it open. So then you put the sticker over it all. Hard to do. Okay, like that, and then it'll pop through when it's ready to go. So that's kind of it there. I'm not going to do this one yet because I didn't put a seed in there. So I'm going to put a seed in there later. So you'll see what it looks like when it grows. But this is what it looks like when it grows. So you have it like that, and then what you do is you put the seed in there, you put this in there, and then my water line is, you know, it's a little low right now, but then when this is in here, it's in the water line level, and then it can start growing. So how cool is that? So you just have these, and then it comes with the domes too. So I can go and take one of the domes, because you need the domes at first so you don't lose all your humidity. Is this even gonna open? So here we go. So I'll take a dome, put the dome on it there. So that gives you, kind of locks in the humidity in it as it gets going. So how cool is that? So now I can finally get to growing again. I've got 7 or 8 things in there. I have all those extra open sections because I ran out of these things. So now I've got another set, so I can do another 30. So I am excited. I'm ready to get to go and do some planting. So pretty cool. Here, I'll take it out and show you guys what it looks like now. See, it was in the water for a couple of minutes until it got some water in the bottom. I need to raise my water level. So actually what I'll probably do is leave these in there, put them in there and leave them in there until they get wet to soak up the water first. And then I go and put the seed in and put it back in and cover it all up and stuff. But you get the idea. So super cool. Love these things. Thumbs up.